Good morning, almost good afternoon. I hope this works in a minute. My name is Liz, and I'm here on behalf of Class Act to do a quick little mini unboxing with you guys today. I've had lots of boxes arrive since I got all this into the system, but I haven't opened them yet, so stay tuned next week. Meanwhile, if you see anything that you like and you want to learn more about it, go to classact.ca, click on Shop, New Arrivals, and the month of June, and there you will find all of these goodies and then some. My apologies for the later unboxing time. I had to take Luna to the vet for her shots today. Luna is our cat. So here I am. Alright, so starting off first, we have some adhesives back in stock. I know the Express It is a good one, so I grabbed that to showcase, but this is the 1/2 inch, which is great for albums and all kinds of other things. It's nice and large too, so even card makers enjoy working with it. Then we have this adorable little strawberry die from Marianne Designs. This one will make in a really cute little strawberry, which is kind of a nice summer theme that we're seeing this year. So it does like the leaves and the tops of the berries and the berries themselves and so on and so forth. It's really, really cute. From Spellbinders, we have, this is the Gorgeous You perfume bottle back in stock. This is a really, really cool die. It does the bow and it does different levels for your perfume bottle. So it's kind of like a nested die as well as the bottle die. You could do some awesome shaker cards with this, for example. You could put the little cap on in gold or cork it or whatever. So this is a really fun die that we love. We have from Paper Rose, we have this new collection. It's called Strawberry Friends Basic, or Strawberry Friends is the name of the collection. This little 6x6 is considered the basics, but we also have the 12x12 sheets for this collection as well. So here you see some little strawberry themed desserts and drinks. But there's lots of other strawberry things incorporated. There's strawberry butterflies, this beautiful like strawberry pattern, and then there's like little animal friends who are celebrating their strawberry haul. Then we have this die from Marianne Designs. This one does ice creams and fancy little desserts. So here you have a cone, you have ice cream scoops, you have cherries, sprinkles to decorate them with, and an adorable little spoon to tuck in. I wish I had an example to show you guys. Hi Lynn, happy Tuesday. Thank you for joining. Sorry it's a weird time. From Paper Rose again, we have butterfly gnomes. These are the embossed die cuts. So when I flip it over, it actually has, I hope this translates on camera, some raised areas that you might be able to see with like a clear sort of gloss on top, and then they're like adorable little fairy gnomes, which is cute. These are great for all the gnome lovers. Speaking of gnome lovers, we also have this one. This one is sewing gnomes. So for all of the sewers / gnome lovers out there, look at how adorable these little cuties are. They have like quilted hats and all kinds of sewing utensils, little bodices, and so on. Then we have this really cool stencil from Studio Light. This one is Growing and Blooming is the name of the collection. It says bless the friends that I love, and it's got like wishing wells and books and this beautiful sky / bridge moment, which is really, really pretty. Oh, it helps if I show it on camera. And then there's the back. So I love the Studio Light stencils. They are really, really fun, and you get a lot of like different spaces that you can kind of incorporate into things. Lynn says, oh my gosh, they're so cute. I think she's talking about the gnomes. They are so cute. Then we have from Art and Creative Studio, the Page Starter Ephemera Pack. So this is all kinds of little tags and flowers, and it also has words like with you, adventure, hello, searching, explore, and discover more, and so on and so forth. So that's really, really fun. Then we have from Paper Rose this other new collection for us, Lakeside Memories. So again, I grabbed the 6x6 to show you guys on unboxing, but we also have single sheets for this one. And this is great because it's like very cottagey, very naturey. So if you enjoy like a good nature hike or walk, here you have some little scenescapes and stuff. And of course the back doesn't really showcase any of that, but trust me, it's a wonderful collection and I can't wait to purchase them and play around with it. Then we have designer pads from Studio Light. This is from their grunge collection, but I love that we can actually flip through a couple of it together. So these are great background papers, great for like steampunk, masculine, Victorian cards, you name it. This is just a really fun paper pack to kind of have in your repertoire. And I think you get 4 sheets of each pattern, if I am correct. I love these, like doors. Little gears at the end. So that's a really fun one. And then Studio Light also has this designer paper pack. Again, from the grunge collection. This one is, I don't know what it's called, but let's flip through it, shall we? So here you see sort of like a snowflake, some nature. This one's more like nature centric, which I can appreciate. Lots of trees and sort of woodsy scenes. Ooh, that's fun. This would be a really cute, like, cute for mini albums as well. I mean, you name it, you guys probably have the brain to create it, but I love this. It's very pretty. Sort of canvas texture background, and then lots of little splotches. Then from Paper Rose, we have another new collection. This one is called Pastel Patterns 1.0. So again, we brought in 12 by 12 sheets, but here's a little 6 by 6 to give you guys a taste. So it's really charming. It's got like beautiful purples and like spring and bright, fun summery colors, and really, really cute collection. Back to Strawberry Friends. So here is the not background pack of the 6 by 6 pages. So these should have little journaling cards. Again, you can kind of see some mice picking strawberries. There are other characters, I believe, like geese and raccoons and all kinds of things, so it's adorable. Then there's this beautiful paper line from 3/4 Designs. So we have the Never Forgotten collection here in the 8 by 8 pack, but we also ordered it in 12 by 12. And this is really, really lovely. Very classy collection for documenting, you know, loved ones who may have fought in wars, or people who currently serve in the military, or just kind of remembrance little pages. This is a really pretty collection filled with poppies and all kinds of memorabilia. Then I have this one. This is from Marianne Designs. This is called Art Journaling and Card Making Backgrounds. So I can imagine that this one comes with lots of, well, basically you can see here, lots of different pages where you can do like left side, right side of like journaling pages. That would be fun. Or you can use them for card backgrounds. You could use them in layouts even. I feel like they would be really cool. Do one on one page, one on the other, and then have all your photos. Again, I noticed a little strawberry in the corner, but there's also mushrooms and butterflies and wildflowers and you name it. We have these adorable new Find It Trading punch-out sheets. So this one is from the Sewing Serenity line. So here we have lots of ribbon and buttons and little cross stitch patterns down here at the bottom, Home Sweet Home. If you're not familiar with how these work, you just add a pop dot and sort of decoupage or like layer them up, which is really awesome. So you'll end up with at least 3 different sort of 3D embellishments. Then we have this one, which is adorable. This one has like tulips and birds and baskets and little rainbows. And I feel also coordinates nicely with strawberries. I don't know if we did that on purpose, but look how pretty. And last but not least, we have this one. This one is called Plant Paradise. And how cute is that? So again, you're getting like little plant shelves and stuff, flower pots. And this is really cute. You could do all kinds of cards and things with these. Indeed. Okay, then from Find It Trading, this is Sewing Serenity, but this contains 8 dies. It does a handmade label. So it actually die cuts the word handmade in a couple different fonts. Then you can do outlines for them, and then you get this really cute nested stitched tag as well. So you can, you know, if you're a sewer or a knitter and you want to make these cute little like handmade by tags, that would be cute. If you make strawberry jam, you could do little tags with that. Endless possibilities. Then we have this guy here. This one's from Karen Bernstein. This is a clear stamp set, but it's all fishing phrases. So this one says, fishing you a happy Father's Day, for example. You're a catch, gone fishing, happy retirement. Good things come to those who bait. Every day is a good day when you're fishing, and let's catch up. I think that's all of them. Happy, oh, here, fishy, fishy. Best fishes. Okay, I think that's all of them. From Doodlebug, we have now the 6x8 Very Sweet paper collection. So we've had, I think, the 12x12, but now we have the smaller one for you card makers. I feel like you guys enjoy smaller paper sizes. I wish I could like flip through this one with you, but just check out the colors and stuff on the outside. It's very sweet indeed. I have 2 of the fishing stamps here because I loved it so much. And then from Spellbinders and Dina Wakely, we have the scribbled letter embossing folder back in stock. So this just is like a nice sort of handwritten script. I can't read any of it. It's just very like imagination. Use your imagination. Then we have Doodlebug Shakers. This one is Busy Bees. So for all of you shaker card people, I hope you can see them. But these have like bees and flowers. It's really, really cute. Then also from Elizabeth Craft Designs, we have this Cherry Blossom die set in stock. This is really pretty. So again, these would look phenomenal on a card or a layout. And it contains lots of different dies. I'm not sure exactly how many. 12 different dies. So you can build up your flowers and you can do flower molding and practice your inking techniques and so on and so forth. Janet says, I see something I was asking for. Yes, so Janet actually encouraged us to bring this in. This is Craft Perfect Ombre cardstock, and my understanding is that it's like shred proof, or it doesn't leak glitter everywhere. You know how some of the shimmery cardstocks, when you cut them, it leaves little traces of glitter. This one does not. So I love the color schemes as well. This one is Mermaid Shimmer, and it's sort of an ombre from like this bluey color all the way up to this like lovely pink, and then there's, I don't know, like yellows and oranges and all the colors in between. Mermaid Shimmer, very, very pretty. Then we have this one. This one's called Oyster Luster. And it doesn't translate on camera, but it is gorgeous. It's like this rich, sparkly brown color. It's really, really pretty. I would use this on like wedding cards and stuff for sure. Then we have this one. It's called Arabian Nights. Look at that. I hope you guys can see it. Come check them out in person. They look even better in person. This one is really cool. This one's Kaleidoscope of Color. I love, love, love the rainbow. And then we have Under the Sea, which is this one. Bring it up nice and close. So it's like a very fun glitter shimmer cardstock. I love it. And that concludes my mini tour of new arrivals for today. I hope you guys can join us next week when I will have even more items to showcase for and with you. And until then, I hope you guys have an amazing week, and we'll see you all later. Bye!